Hey guys, how's it going? We have Ray Samuels here from Ray Samuel Audio, and he's going to introduce one of his new products here at the Chicago Head-Fi meet.
Hi there. This is the newest amplifier and DAC combo that is going to be released within 2 weeks, hopefully, to everybody. And the nice thing about this particular amp is that it has a higher gain than the SR71B, which this one has a gain of 21 comparing to gain of 11 that SR71B has. And the reason for that particular gain to be that high is that a lot of people use it with the iPod, or they use it with the computer, where the voltage swing for either iPod or computer is not high enough. And when you use hard-to-drive headphones, you find out that you maximize the volume and you don't get to the proper volume if somebody want to listen really very high. With the gain of 21, it satisfies a very loud listener peoples, including me, and it can drive with that also the very hard-to-drive headphones, which demand a lot of voltage swing. Like the HE6. I use this combination the way it is right now, which you have the iPod Classics, of course, with the line out DAC, and it is right now in balance, it's, as you can see, and I'm using it with the 300 ohm HD600 Sennheiser, and around 11 o'clock the volume is even high for myself, you know. But when I put the HE6, I find myself I'm around 2 o'clock at very, very loud volume, which it does really very well with that one. Of course, this one at the same time, just like the SR71B, it has a phase splitter circuitry that you can take the iPod output, which is a single-ended, and through the phase splitter, you get enough signal as a positive negative for left-right channels, and run it through the 4 gain stages and 4 buffers, and you get a balanced signal that you'll be listening to the iPod in balance. At the same time, using it with the computer, you're listening also to your computer in balance through this particular amplifier, which is of course called the Intruder. I'm hoping that people, when they listen to this one, they're gonna really enjoy a lot of things, features about this one. The gain, of course, you have independent gains for left and right channels, which are right in the front of the panel. And you have a gain of 2 for in-ear monitors, just like SR71B. Gain of 6, just like SR71B for low impedance and even high impedance headphone. And of course, the only thing differs from SR71B, as we said, is the high gain, which this one is a 21 compared to 11 of SR71B, I'm sorry. In the back, of course, you do have a USB. You have 2 switches that you flip them up in the USB. When it is in USB mode, the tiny little switch, which is over here, which chooses between single-ended and the balance, it is bypassed when you use a USB. Once you flip these 2 switches down into the audio input or signal input, then this switch becomes involved in the circuitry. Then you can choose either single-ended on the left, when you're looking at the camera, it's going to be on the right, or the balanced on the left side. Right now we're listening, because it's single-ended, switch should be in the single-ended, and this way the 2 USB switches are going to be down, so because we're getting a signal out of the iPod. Other than that, we're using 4 batteries in here, which in balance mode, you're getting close to 32 volts of voltage swing, which is really, really high for portable amps. And this is enough to deliver almost 1 amp of current at that kind of voltage to any headphones, which can satisfy any hard-to-drive headphones. That should be about it as what's involved in this particular amp and how it operates.